प्रोडिजियस रियल लाइफ फिगर पर बायोपिक बनाते बनाते हम क्यों इतनी कोशिश करते हैं कि ऑडियंस को रुलाना ही रुलाना है। राजकुमार राव तो है, लेकिन एक और खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंस के साथ आओ देखें। Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहां बस कुछ दिनों में अपडेट्स फ्रॉम कैन इनकमिंग। आज के लिए आओ बात करते हैं अबाउट तुषार हीरानंदानी की श्रीकांत स्टारिंग राजकुमार राव, नाउ इन थिएटर्स।
आप हमारे चक्कर में मत फंसना, आपको बेच के कहाँ जाएंगे हम।
बिजनेसमैन श्रीकांत बोला की लाइफ पर आधारित ये फिल्म स्टार्ट्स as most Bollywood biopics do, right at the moment when the child is born, complete with a fourth wall breaking unexplained voiceover telling us how the child is born without the ability to see. अगर मैसेज आपको क्लियर नहीं है कि ये कहानी होने वाली है about a man who is destined to beat all the odds, तो no stress. Deafening background score is there to hold your hand very tightly. What follows is an incredible true story of an incredible man portrayed by a very good actor. But alas, told using formulaic and predictable templates that offer little to no new insight neither into the mind of the protagonist nor the lives of the visually impaired. श्रीकांत में सीन्स लिखे गए हैं वही क्रच इस्तेमाल करते हुए जिनसे दूर हटने की कोशिश प्रोटैगनिस्ट करते नजर आ रहे हैं। डिसेबिलिटी को मैनिपुलेटिव ना बनाएं। जगदीप सिद्धू और सुमित पुरोहित की राइटिंग लेकिन follows way too many beats, way too closely, going over and above to make things more dramatic, more sensational than they already are.
So a visually impaired person cannot travel alone in the flight?
तो आप समझ नहीं रहे, मेरा जाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मेरा MIT में एडमिशन हुआ है।
I cannot let you fly alone.
In a gut-wrenching moment, जिसका ग्लिम्स आप ट्रेलर में भी देख सकते हैं, when श्रीकांत had to take his first international flight to head to Boston, MIT में enrollment के लिए, the airline crew refused to let him board as he was unaccompanied. साथ में और किसी पैसेंजर ने भी सपोर्ट करने से मना कर दिया because you know how us Indian folks can get ना, अपना अपना देख लो भाई, मदद करने हम लोग आते नहीं है आगे आसानी से। ऐसे में while श्रीकांत struggles to convince people to let him board, a clock is ticking कि कहीं बोर्डिंग बंद हो गई तो इतनी मेहनत से कमाई गई है जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसमें सैक्रिफाइसेस लगे हैं ये हाथ से जाएगी। ये मोमेंट अपने आप में ऑलरेडी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। आई एम नॉट ashamed to admit I cried openly. I wanted to hold this man's hand. I wanted to apologize for everyone who didn't help. And I wanted to yell at the airline staff on his behalf. However, the writing, instead of trusting the audience to feel that empathy through an exceptional Rajkumar Rao performance, feels like it needs to go the extra mile and add, and then they all clapped for me moment, which feels so fake and artificial the tears immediately dry up, reminding you that this in fact is the melodramatic Bollywoodization of a story that could have actually been a commentary on how systems to support people with disabilities aren't very robust in India. Why are we still in an age where a poor man first thinks about murdering a child born with a disability, resigned to the worst, rather than having the knowledge that there might be aids and benefits available? This film does not ask those questions. To in fact promote the film at a traffic signal in Mumbai recently, in front of a blind school, a visually impaired person's friendly traffic crossing signal has just been installed to promote a movie. Now, if you're in Mumbai and you live around Victoria Memorial School for the Blind and you're watching this review about a month after this film's release, please let me know in the comments if the beeping device is still operational.
भैया अंधा के मदद करो।
पैसे दे रहे हो? मुझे दो, इसे हम जॉब देंगे।
In another scene, as Shrikant is trying to convince a rich guy to invest 8 crores in his company, their car comes to a sudden halt and almost by magic, a blind beggar appears at their window asking for money, to which Shrikant says, "हम आपको पैसे नहीं नौकरी देंगे." The poor man smiles, thanks, nods and walks away, seemingly happy that some rando has promised him a job to add a moment in the screenplay. There's no follow-up shot of Shrikant meeting the guy or anything. In another scene, a peon at a government office appears randomly to thank Shrikant for all his hard work in front of his babu boss who's refusing to subsidize their electricity bill. And this guy appears so suddenly, I almost anticipated this clever Shrikant would find the peon in the next scene and thank him for that wonderful bit of acting that he had planted there. In yet another sequence brought to you by DBS Bank, literal Hansal Mehta is there. The forced sentimentality is grating.
हेलो सर, मैं देश का पहला विजुअली चैलेंज प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Rajkumar Rao is the lifeblood of this movie. There is not one doubt in my mind. Playing a visually impaired person, a man who has been blind since birth, is a very specific, very particular challenge. One Raj spoke about in my interview with him. आप यहाँ पे उसको देखिए. The dedicated, focused hard work shows, and there nary is another actor in mainstream Hindi cinema who could have done a better job than Raj. Given it is impossible to accept Raj as a 9th standard student in 2006 telling APJ Abdul Kalam that he wants to be India's first blind president. But the staging of this shot and the performance are just both so earnest, you let it slide. Even when the film wants to explore Shrikant's god complex, when we see that the line "मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ" has taken on a new, more conceited, more complex meaning in Shrikant's life, the writing and direction are unsure how to approach this behavioral change and they just sort of dump it in the middle. However, Raj's conviction and process manages to break through the banal writing and explore a side to the protagonist the film itself doesn't have enough time for. Look, the manipulative bits in Shrikant worked on me big time. When he's thrown out of his hostel, when he goes back crying to his teacher, played by a very able Jyotika, when he makes his first friends at MIT, I bawled. Not ready to let my heart open up the way it did. But even through the tears, I couldn't help but roll my eyes quite a bit. Shrikant Bola is an astonishingly driven man. It's almost unreal. One wishes his biopic, the first time the whole nation will hear his story through the strongest medium of mass communication we have, showed more interest in his life than anecdotes that make up a detailed Wikipedia page. और जब एकदम ही Wikipedia page जैसे eventual closing credits पर हम आ भी जाते हैं, वहाँ पे ऐसे facts और figures लिखे हुए आ रहे हैं screen पर, but they're in just as much rush as the screenplay is vanishing from the screen before you can read and take them in. Picking a lane and committing to a tone, we don't know her.
Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Sec square.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Shrikant is one sequence mein voiceover even shifts and Sharad Kelkar starts narrating the story. Yaar, means who are you talking to? It just drives me mad. Up next, dispatches from the Cannes Film Festival. आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, यहाँ पर हमारे नंबर बढ़ेंगे ना तो स्पॉन्सर मिलेंगे कैन जाने के लिए अगली बार. अभी खुद की जेब से खर्चे करके जा रही हूँ मैं, महंगा पड़ रहा है. पर प्लीज फ्री में सब्सक्राइब करने की इतनी सी हेल्प तो कर ही दें आप. 120 तक हम पहुंचने वाले हैं. माय नेम इज सुचारिता. थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय.